Good morning, mighty Radlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, 2019. Please rise. Place your right hand over your heart and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now, please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. You may be seated. Today we have 3 kinder birthdays: Yair Murillo, Jafet Oriana, and Hannah Salinas. Please stop by my office today and get your special birthday gift. Have an amazing, amazing birthday. This week, our value and culture focus are Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. And idea 30. After dining in the cafeteria or elsewhere, please be responsible for your trash. That's very, very important. When you're getting up out of the cafeteria, look underneath your seat to make sure there's nothing under the table that may have fallen from your tray. And make sure that even if there's a straw or a napkin, you grab it and toss it on your way out. Some announcements. You guys have been doing an amazing job coming in with your IDs already around your neck. And some of you have actually made sure that you replace them real fast by paying $5, and now you have your brand new one, so make sure you keep it safe. Put it in your backpack. Don't forget to take it out of your car in the morning or out of your bedroom or wherever you keep your uniform. Also, remember, look at the uniform in the picture. That's exactly how yours should look, but you can also wear khaki pants. So check your shoes right now. Make sure they're black. They're mostly black. You have black or khaki pants on, or some people have skirts or long shorts. You have black belt and your Idea blue polo tucked in. I know some of you, when you're at PE or at recess, your shirt comes untucked, which is fine, but when you walk right back into the building, you got to tuck it back in. Also, it's starting to get a little bit cooler, and Miss Tripto is super excited about this, but some of you Texans need a jacket. So make sure that you are wearing the correct jacket. Okay, you can only wear an Idea jacket that's part of your uniform, like shown in the picture below. You can also wear one that looks similar to that, but is a fleece, also sold by Idea. Okay, those are the 2 approved jackets. If you have a jacket that is a non-Idea jacket right now, please take it off, put it in your backpack, and don't bring it back to school. Also, today is Tuesday, so that means you're going to go to your second block for academic block. Yesterday, some of you learned about mindfulness and breathing techniques. So this is really going to help us when you guys are getting ready for testing, when you're feeling a little bit stressed out, and honestly, it will help you for the rest of your life. So just right now, take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it, and then let it out of your mouth. Right then, don't you already feel better? I do. All right, just to remember, today, 3rd and 4th grade, you guys have your mid-module exams. Good luck. I know you guys will do great. Show off your smarts. And make sure you guys are here every single day, because even though there's no tests on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, there's still a lot of instruction going on that makes you do really makes you understand all of the skills and the knowledge that you're going to need to actually take those tests on Tuesday and Thursday. So make sure you're here every day. Yesterday, unfortunately, we had 19 of you out. So that means we only hit 97.2. We were so close to hitting our goal of 97.5. Make sure your parents bring you to school every single day. Don't forget, we have a nurse on campus, so if you need to go see her, then that's totally fine. But just come to school. We can make sure you feel better, and then you're not missing out on any great instruction. Also, make sure that you don't forget about the raffle. There may be some new prizes in there. So the more days you're here in a row, the more days that you will qualify to be in the raffle. All right, vocabulary word of the day. So I know that you guys started this with Dr. Richter, and so I'm going to carry it on because I believe vocabulary is very important. The word of the day is ambition. Ambition. A strong desire to do or to achieve something, typically requiring determination and hard work. That sounds like an idea student to me. So an example of this would be her ambition was to become a pilot. You may also hear ambitious. The person's ambitious, which means that they're usually determined and really hardworking. Sounds like all of you. All right, please say the Runberg Academy chant with me and really think about it this time. As you say the words, really think about what they mean. Ready? Go. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Remember, make it a terrific Tuesday, and that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else today tells you that they love you, just know that we love you and always will. I hope you have an amazing, amazing day. And teachers, please remember that we're using the GroupMe strand of ADA, and to make sure that you message Miss Perez, who is not in your room right now, and the communication that you've had with their parents. Thank you again, and have an amazing day, guys. Remember, there's only 4 more days until a 3-day weekend.